welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Spinach Bonda or Keerai Bonda. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some greens. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 green chilli chopped, few curry leaves chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 cups of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon of chilli powder, a pinch of asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Mash and mix all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, green chilies and the curry leaves comes together well. Now start to add little water at a time and mix well. We're looking for a consistency that is little more watery than the pakora consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have the proper consistency, so pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Now it's ready to get fried as bondas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the spinach bondas one by one. Add 3 to 4 bondas at a time. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip to the other side. Let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, 1/2 cup of gram flour, a tablespoon of powdered roasted Bengal gram, 1/2 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of asafoetida or hing and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix all the ingredients with a spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Now we have a very smooth dough and the dough is in perfect consistency, so let's go and make the ribbon pakoda. I've taken a murukku maker. To this, fix a ribbon pakoda attachment. Fill in the dough and press a little and check the flow. The flow is smooth, so let's go and fry the ribbon pakoda. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot and make ribbon like pakodas. Let this fry for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in high flame. Now both sides are nicely done and crispy, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and crispy ribbon pakoda is ready. You can serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy for 2 weeks time. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this ribbon pakoda for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.